Wait, did you know videos of tiny tools like this are getting millions of views right now? Yeah, seriously. And the crazy part? You can make them in just a few minutes using AI. Let me show you how. So first, we start with the prompt. I've already created a master prompt that makes this super easy. You can find it on my website. Link is in the description. Here's how to use it. Just type in the tool you want to create, like a mini drill or chainsaw. Then select all, then copy it. Open ChatGPT, paste it, and hit send. Boom! ChatGPT will instantly generate 3 things for you: an image prompt, a video prompt, and even a hook idea for your video. Super helpful. Next step, generate the image. Copy the image prompt that ChatGPT gave you, then go to Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Link is also in the description. Choose Image Generation, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and change batch to 4 so you get multiple options. For the model, pick Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt, hit Generate, and wait a few seconds. And just like that, your tiny tool images are ready. Pick your favorite one. Now let's turn that into a video. Copy the video prompt or the hook variation from ChatGPT, then go back to Google Flow. This time, switch to video generation. Use the frames model, keep the aspect ratio 9:16, and set batch to 1. Tap on Start Frame and choose the image you generated earlier. Paste your video prompt, hit Generate, and wait a bit. Done. Your tiny tool video is ready to post. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now imagine this. What if your next video is the one that hits millions of views? Try it out, and who knows, you might just go viral with the tiniest tools on the internet.